1. Your brain rewrites your memories. Your memories, not a perfect recording. Every time you recall an event, your brain can edit it, incorporating new details or emotions. The memory you retrieve is actually the memory of the last time you remembered it, meaning your most cherished or painful memories may gradually drift from the truth. 2. First impressions are made in a blink. People form initial judgments about your trustworthiness and likability within a remarkably short time, as fast as 7 seconds, or even a mere 100 milliseconds. This snap decision is based largely on unconscious cues like body language and tone. 3. Emotional pain is physical pain. Heartbreak and social rejection are not just metaphors. Neuroscience shows that emotional distress activates the same brain regions, anterior cingulate cortex, that process physical pain. This is why a harsh comment or breakup can feel physically hurtful. 4. You're wired to focus on the bad. Your brain has a built-in negativity bias. It detects and remembers negative information faster and more vividly than positive news. This evolutionary trait helped ancestors avoid danger, but now means a single criticism often outweighs a dozen compliments. 5. The high cost of social isolation. Loneliness isn't just a feeling. It's a severe health risk. Prolonged social isolation can be as harmful as smoking 15 cigarettes a day, increasing risks for depression, heart disease, and even early death. 6. Multitasking is a brain myth. When you try to multitask, your brain is actually just switching rapidly between tasks. This process drains mental energy, increases errors, and can slash your productivity by up to 40%. True multitasking, as commonly imagined, is impossible for the human brain. 7. Willpower is a depletable resource. Your self-control operates like a mental battery, a concept called ego depletion. Each act of decision-making or resistance drains this resource, which is why resisting temptations feels much harder at the end of a long, taxing day. 8. Most decisions are made subconsciously. A staggering 95% of your decisions originate in the subconscious mind. Your rational, conscious thoughts often just provide a logical-sounding explanation for a choice your unconscious brain has already made. 9. Memory storage is astounding. Your brain's storage capacity is estimated at about 2.5 million gigabytes. To put that in perspective, that's equivalent to roughly 300 years of continuous TV shows. 10. Your brain clings to familiar pain. The brain strongly prefers the familiar, even when it's harmful. This explains why people may stay in toxic relationships or return to bad habits. The known hell can feel safer to your neural circuitry than an unknown, potentially better future. 11. You can be influenced by pure obedience. Under pressure from an authority figure, ordinary people are capable of inflicting severe pain on others. This was starkly demonstrated by the Milgram experiments, which revealed how fragile personal morality can be in the face of obedience. 12. The placebo effect is real power. Belief can create real, measurable physical change. Believing a treatment will work, even if it's a sugar pill, can cause your brain to release pain-relieving and mood-boosting chemicals like endorphins and dopamine. This shows your mind's perception directly influences your body's reality. Like, subscribe, and follow for more English vocabulary videos. Make it American or British style. Do you want me to do that next? Like, subscribe to Bellicon, our channel, to watch more such videos.